Hi guys, Valerie here again with more tips and tricks for massage therapy. Today we're going to be talking about how to relieve those knots and those pains in our neck by a simple exercise. If you're suffering from chronic neck pain, we always want you to see your doctor first. So I have my helper here with me today, and right here we have our spine. We all know that, right, where our spine is. But what we may not know is that around our spine, we have tiny little muscles that attach from one vertebrae right to the next vertebrae. And those muscles are actually the muscles that are supposed to hold our neck up and straight all day long. Imagine our head weighs quite a bit. So to hold that up all day long, that's a lot of work. But if those tiny muscles are weak, we tend to use other muscles then. So we also have a large muscle here. It's called your trapezius, and it attaches at the base of the skull. It goes over to the shoulder and down the back. If you notice that you're starting to get knots in your back, in your shoulder, up your neck area, it's just getting so tight. Maybe you've been driving a lot and you've got your arms like this and you're just getting that tight feeling. Or maybe you slept wrong and now you're getting stiff necks, pain in your neck, all from holding your head up with your large muscles. Now these tiny little muscles, there's so many different reasons why they weaken. A lot of it is as we age, we stop using them. So it's very important to strengthen them. Now today we're using a massage table, but you can do this out of the comfort of your home by using your bed. I always tell people if you're going to do it for the first time, try to put a mirror there so you can see how far you're raising your head, because you don't ever want to extend it too high. Okay, so now I want you to look at her body. Notice her hands. They're not clumped up into fists. She's not being tight. They're very relaxed. Her arms are relaxed. Her whole body is nice and relaxed. We want to keep that going when we do the exercise too. We want her whole body to be relaxed as well. So you want to always start with 7 seconds. The reason we say 7 seconds is it takes 7 seconds for the muscle to lengthen, which means it gets softer in that time. So I want you to take your time, do 7 seconds. If you feel good the next day, maybe try 8 seconds, but don't jump up to 30 seconds. Slowly work your way up to where these muscles are getting stronger. And as they get stronger, these big muscles aren't doing the work that the tiny muscles are supposed to do. Okay, so now's the part we're going to take the face cradle away and I'm going to show you the exercise. We're going to go to the edge of the table just to about here with her shoulders. So we want her shoulders hanging off the table to about there. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this face cradle just so you can see what it looks like. I'm going to ask her to slide forward just to about here. Perfect. And then she's going to lift her head, but this is what we don't want. This is lifted too high, so we're going to have her tip it down just slightly. Now it's in line with her spine. So this is where it's really good to be able to put a mirror up so that you can make sure you're not overextending your head. You're going to start noticing the pains in your shoulders, the pains in your neck are going to start going away, because these muscles are going to get stronger and stronger, but it's not going to happen overnight. So you have to do it several times before this muscle starts strengthening. Thank you for watching. I'm Valerie Tronvet with more tips and tricks for massage therapy.